Floki has the potential to become the #1 meme coin. Is Floki going to flip Pepe, potentially even flip Shiba Inu? That's what we're talking about today's video. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Floki Inu coin as they had a massive investment into the project, which is causing this puppy to pump to the moon. We see on the week they're up over 25%. A massive $12 million investment was made. This is absolutely bullish. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news. Now let's jump right into the mix of things. We see overall crypto market looking all right. Yes, a little bit of red today. We're seeing a 1% dip on the day. Bitcoin at around $70,000, which is great because it's actually holding that position. Fear and greed index at 65, pretty much same as yesterday. Ethereum at 38, which is great. Slowly creeping to 4,000. Exciting things ahead for the meme market. Talking about meme markets, today's video is all about Floki Inu, number 6, sorry, in terms of overall meme coin, or number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 in terms of meme coins, up 23% on the week and about 0.5% on the 24-hour. This one currently has just under $3 billion in market cap, very close to flipping DWF hat, just needing about 250-ish million. And then even for Pepe at 50% of its market cap, meaning if we could get like a 50% surge in price, we could see Floki flip Pepe. Now, why are we talking about Floki today? Because Floki had a massive investment by DWF Labs to purchase 12 million Floki tokens to support the Floki ecosystem. As a testament to the unwavering support to Floki ecosystem, DWF Labs will purchase $12 million in Floki tokens. A portion of the tokens will be acquired from the market, and the rest will be acquired from the Floki treasury. And this is basically to encourage and boost the Floki's ecosystem. Now, we know Floki has been one of those projects that have been just genius when it comes to marketing. Remember, very early on, they had the Times Square ads. They basically plastered this project everywhere, getting the masses involved. This is very bullish. With now this $12 million influx, it could be very good for Floki. Talking about being good and talking about being early, let's talk about a pre-sale gem that's going absolutely ballistic right now, and that is Play Doge, a Doge themed token that has crazy innovation as that's play to earn, your best play to earn Doge companion. Play Doge is a mobile based play to earn game that transforms iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi style virtual pet, embracing the 90s nostalgia by Play Doge in pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventures. This token has launched roughly about a week and a half ago and has raised just under $3 million, which is insane. People are heavily believing in this project. A pre-sale gem, we talked about this on the channel a lot, Dogeverse, which did a phenomenal raise of over $15 million in 4 to 8 weeks. Went crazy, but looks like Play Doge might actually double that, and we might actually end up seeing this project raise $30 million before it even goes live. So if you want to buy now into the project, link in the description below. You buy with BNB, USDT, or ETH. It has staking, it has play to earn in a ton of different articles and blogs. Great website, great roadmap, and great tokenomics. This project is not a project you want to miss out on. If you want to load up on it, link in the description below. But back to Floki, as Floki is taking over and headlines everywhere. Floki Inu hits highs with a $12 million DWF Labs investment surge. New record for Floki crypto. What's going to happen in June? Floki is going to pump. Obviously, this massive investment was big, right? Floki hits new highs with the $12 million DF Labs DF. I don't know. I'm struggling with that. DF Labs investment surge. Obviously, they bought from the actual market and also from their treasury, which is great for the price to boost that price and buy some of the treasury off them. That's great. Again, a safe way to offload. Technicals are looking very bullish as well. Moving averages are on strong buy. Oscillators are on the sell. We're getting an overall summary of buy as Floki is taken over. Remember, Floki, the people's cryptocurrency. Floki, the utility token for the Floki ecosystem with their Valhalla playing app. Again, play to earn just been so massive. Tokenify, staking, Flokify, NFTs, the prepaid card, Floki places, the university. They are doing everything. Talking about doing everything. They are growing on social media as well. Over 600,000 followers. Remember, Valhalla is again coming to mobile as well. A very popular play to earn game. Again, like almost AAA level. This is absolutely massive and bullish. We can see Floki is trending, which is great. Floki is just really crushing in the space right now. Then again, honestly, the charts are reflecting that 25% surge this week is amazing. Even when we go in the month, a 75% surge. We're basically in all-time high territories, which is absolutely bullish. So you're gonna want to load up if you haven't already. Now, guys, there's probably going to be some red days coming for this project, as people that bought early might want to exit. So again, prepare for that, and strategize however you do. Like always, because remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. That wraps up the video. Let me know what you guys are feeling about Floki in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.